Hello students, we are in chapter 3rd Geography Minerals, and in previous video we already discussed importance of mineral properties and types of mineral. Today we discuss distribution of mineral in the world. At first we discuss mining of minerals. Mining of minerals means mining is of three types. First one is open cast mining, shaft mining and offshore drilling. At first, open cast mining. Open cast mining involved the removal of overlaying materials to extract the minerals from a shallower depth of the earth. Second one is shaft mining, referred to the construction of vertical or horizontal shaft to extract minerals from deep under the earth. And third one is offshore drilling, is a method of mining where deep bores are dug into the earth to extract oil and natural gases from under the earth or from offshore regions. Now, distribution of mineral in the world. You already know that unequal distribution of mineral in the world. Europe has largest source of mineral. रसिया के पास ऐसा माना जाता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा मिनरल का जो सोर्स है वो सबसे ज़्यादा है. अमेरिका के पास भी है. इंडिया के पास 54% मिनरल है. इसी बात को हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि कौन से कंट्री में किसके पास कितना ज़्यादा मिनरल है. एट फर्स्ट, एशिया. द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ एशिया हैज़ लार्ज रिजर्व्स of iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper, zinc and nickel. China and India have large deposit of iron ores. Most of the world supply of tin comes from China, Malaysia and Indonesia. Europe has large reserve of iron ore. The leading iron ore producing countries are Russia, Ukraine, France and Sweden. The other minerals like manganese, copper, lead, zinc, nickel are found in Europe. North America is rich in mineral, namely copper, lead, zinc, platinum, and the Canadian shield is rich in platinum, gold, nickel and copper. आपको मालूम होगा कि गोल्ड से ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल जो है वो प्लेटिनम है. उसके बाद मैक्सिको के बारे में बोला. मैक्सिको इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ सिल्वर. ये वर्ल्ड में बताया गया है कि कौन सा आयरन, कॉपर और बॉक्साइट कहाँ है और कितनी ज़्यादा मात्रा में अवेलेबल है. नाउ इन साउथ अमेरिका, द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका इज रिच इन मिनरल. ब्राजील इज द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ आयरन ओर, बॉक्साइट एंड टिन. Bolivia is also an important producer of tin. Chile is the world largest producer of copper and nitrates. Bauxite is produced in Guyana and Suriname. Now Africa has large resources of mineral. Africa is the leading producer of gold, diamond and platinum in the world. Johannesburg is a huge source of diamond, gold. Now Australia is the most important producer of iron ore. It is the leading producer and exporter of bauxite in the world. Then distribution of mineral in India, and through this table, iron ore Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Bauxite Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Manganese Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa. कॉपर राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, झारखंड, कर्नाटका. माइका झारखंड, बिहार, आंध्र प्रदेश. गोल्ड, कोलर गोल्ड फील्ड in Karnataka and parts of Andhra Pradesh. Limestone, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha. Salt, rock salt, lake salt, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Importance of mineral. Now, iron ore. Iron ore uses for making tools, tractor, automobiles, defense equipment. Bauxite, ferroalloy, manufacture of bleaching powder, paints, insecticides. Manganese, electrical and electronic industry. Copper, manufacture of aircraft, electric wires. Mica, electrical cables. Gold, manufacture of jewelry. Limestone, smelting of iron, manufacture of cement and chemical industry. Now, conservation of minerals. You also know that minerals are highly exhaustible. It means that when it is totally exhaustible, then it not achieved in very usually, that is exhaustible. So we uses for just like sustainable development. 3 rules, 3R rules. First R is reusing, second R is recycling, and third R is reducing. It is the only source to obey, to follow the minerals in long time. Okay, using of alternative or substitute and non-conventional source like solar, wind or biogas. For example, coal and petroleum are substituted by CNG, usage of biogas fuel. Okay, recycling some metal like iron, copper, reducing the wastage of mineral by planned utilization and judicious consumption. Forming new mineral using latest technology. Now in next video we discuss about the power resources. Okay, thank you.